Welcome to TipUp, quick tech tips so you can work smarter. When you're sending out a mass email, sometimes it's nice to personalize messages to grab a recipient's attention or insert information that's specific to them. But you don't need to edit each individual email to do this. Instead, try using Mail Merge in Microsoft Word. Note that the Mail Merge feature is only available for the Windows and Mac desktop versions of Word, not the online version in your Office 365 account. While there are some slight variations between the two apps, the process is essentially the same. First, it's ideal to set up the data you intend to insert into your Mail Merge. This can include information like the recipient's name, their contact information, address, or anything else that's a unique identifier. The best way to do this is by creating a new or formatting an existing Excel spreadsheet with each column labeled with the appropriate personalized information. Just make sure you don't leave any blank rows and don't repeat any column headers. Save this file somewhere on your computer. Next, type up your message in Microsoft Word. Leave blanks where you intend to include personal information, like the recipient's name. Now it's time to start our Mail Merge. Click on the Mailings tab and select Start Mail Merge. Decide which type of document you're setting up. In this case, we're sending personalized emails. Next, select the recipients you want to send your message to. Since we already set up our data source ahead of time, let's select Use an existing list to upload our Excel file. You can also see that there are options to pull data from other sources and even create a new list directly in Word. You can select a range in your Excel worksheet, but you'll likely just use the entire workbook. Click OK. Move your cursor over to a placeholder and select Insert Merge fields to input one of your spreadsheet's identifiers. Here, I've added the last name identifier to my message's salutation. Repeat this step to place any other identifiers needed in your message. You can also create optional rules on how these merge fields appear in your message by including logic and other parameters. Once you've finished inserting your merge fields, feel free to preview the results by clicking the arrows to make sure your personalized fields are displaying how you intended. You can even search for a specific recipient to see how their message will look. Then it's time to send your message. Click Finish and Merge and select Merge to Email to draft a subject line and select the email field from your spreadsheet to send out all of your messages in Outlook. You can check your Sent folder to ensure your messages were distributed. Note that depending on how many emails you're sending, it may take some time for all of them to clear through your outbox. Mail Merge can be used for sending personalized emails and printing personalized letters, envelopes, and labels. You can even create a directory by merging different data sources into your document so you can access reports from databases while being able to use the formatting features of Word. Visit support.microsoft.com for more information on how to use Mail Merge. Want more TipUp? Watch our videos and submit your ideas at its.weill.cornell.edu/tipup.